You might be able to see it right here behind me, but today I'm gonna be putting what I believe is the first set of rear sets custom made for the Honda Navi. I'm really excited, let's do it.
What did you get? Diapers?
Here they are next to the original ones. Oh, that was smooth. Ooh, nice little lean off the bike. Nah, this is incredible. This is amazing. Navi Nation, it's your boy Mo. I'm back with another episode, and today we're throwing rear sets on the Honda Navi. Let me show you what I mean. So currently, this is where my foot sits on the Navi. It's about a foot in front of where my butt is. I personally would like my foot to be maybe around right here, kind of level with my butt and in a more sporty and engaged position.
What did you get? Diapers?
So here they are. You might be looking at this like, what am I looking at here, right? But these are the original mounting points, right? And the bar would normally be coming out here and be like kind of in line with that brake lever. Here they are next to the original ones, just so you can kind of get an idea of how these are gonna sit and how much further back they are. But now I have this drop back, which brings them back about, I don't know what, let's call it 5 inches, essentially giving me a more sporty set of pegs on the Navi. Now, while I came up with the idea for this, I can't take all the credit. Craig Mintzmoyer from Mintzmoyer Mini Motos is a legend. He put this thing together for me, iterated on it, adjusted it, and helped me get it right, and he's the reason that we're making this happen today. He also included a super special little gift, custom made for me in the package as well, and I'll drop a little clip of the unboxing here because I wasn't expecting that at all, and it was a super nice little treat. Oh, I think I know what this is. Dude. Oh, no way. That's so cool. That's sick. Oh, can you guys see that? That's awesome. Craig, thank you, bro. That's fine. I can't wait to throw that on to replace the scoop that I have right now. So thank you, Craig, for that. Let's go ahead and get these rear sets installed so I can tell you all about them. I feel like every time I make a video, I'm thanking you guys, but thanks again. We passed 600 subscribers, blew past it, and we're inching our way towards 700. So please make sure to like this video and subscribe if you haven't. Your support means the world to me. All right, let's get back to the video. Definitely want to loosen the back brake before you start getting into this. You're going to want to bend these straight, pinch them together, and then you can kind of push this up. This top one's really easy. You just pull it up and it comes undone. Once you got the little needle out, there's this little cap to go ahead and take that off. So this is free to come out now. The last thing is going to be this thing over here, which is probably the most annoying part of this. That was smooth. So now I just have to slide the brake off. It's pretty self-explanatory. You literally just pull it out like this. Got this old brake off. This is just a little cover that I have. I know people are gonna ask about it, so I will go ahead and link it for you guys. All right, I got the new one swapped in. It's a little bit of a different shape, and you'll see why in a second. Now it's time to put those springs back on and then get the pegs on, and I'll show you what it looks like. Looks like our measurements were incorrect, so have to do some adjusting. Had to get some safety goggles. And yes, my safety goggles are the same color as my motorcycle. What about it? Get the trick. I think I got this rod. Let me go try to fit it on, and I'll show you guys the final result. There you have it. The first Honda Navi with rear sets, I believe. Look at that. So foot goes back here. Foot used to be right here where this little crevice is. This is my brake lever now. So foot was here, now it's back here. We got about like 4 inches, 5 inches. This little rod activates the brake. You can see it down here, so it's connected to this. So when I push this, it pushes my brake down. And then obviously we got the other side. Rear set as well. Yeah, let me know, what do you think of the rear sets? I love them. All right, so you saw how I looked before on the bike. Stand the bike up so you guys can see. Boom, baby. We're right here, we're nice and tucked. We're getting active, look at that. Ooh, nice little lean off the bike. Foot brake works perfectly. I don't really use my foot brake unless I'm going like really, really slow. So yeah, it's not really that important, but cool that it's, you know, fully there, fully functional. My foot is like right here. So you still got that full passenger. Not that I really ever have a passenger, but you know, just in case. I will say if I put my heel back too far, it might touch this hot lap pipe. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and put a little rod right here just to prevent that and be safe. But yeah, that's what we look like. Definitely a more aggressive position. Way less comfortable than having your feet, you know, up here like a cruiser. But for the type of riding I do and the way I like to ride this bike, this is perfect for me. So really quickly, I just want to touch on Mountaineer Mini Moto. Before you guys go, blow up Craig's DMs. The rear sets is not like a product that they sell or anything. Craig made that for me custom, and so I really do appreciate that. It was a project that we worked on for a little over a month. I think it was close to 2 months, and I think it came out perfect. He absolutely knocked it out of the park. They do sell, however, threaded foot peg bars, so you can put your own foot pegs on it. These are the same ones I had on my Navi before this. That's gonna be custom air scoops, and he even makes a stretch kit that looks pretty sick. The rear sets were custom made. They were custom measured to me. It's a one-off piece that he made. He had to take apart his wife's bike completely to like fit the parts on it and stuff. They've done a great job on that build too, by the way. It's a big undertaking, so please don't expect that this is gonna be something that's for sale or that that's gonna be something that's readily available. Please don't just go blowing up his DMs now and just, you know, everybody asking him for this. Now I'll do another test ride tomorrow and get like a full video, more comprehensive, but I just couldn't wait to hop on this thing tonight, so we're gonna go for a quick spin. Okay, so first thing I notice is now this kickstand is very close to the bar. It's still doable though. Just gonna take some getting used to. Now I wanna try to walk the bike. Yeah, even walking it is fine. So let's see. Nah, this is incredible. This is amazing. Oh wow, I really love this actually. All right, immediate first impression, way more aggressive and engaged riding position, of course, which is what we were after. I have to squeeze the tank really hard now, especially when I'm slowing down, because I can't like dig into the foot peg. The foot pegs used to be in front of me so I could push into them a little when I'm slowing down. Now they're behind me, so I really can't. Definitely more effort to ride, a lot more core engagement. Oh my goodness, this is like really uncomfortable. Holy shit, dude. I have to try way more to ride my Navi now. I might have to just get my core strength up so I can handle it. So yeah, overall, I'm super happy. We'll have to see tomorrow. I'll get out and get a little joyride and we can see exactly how these handle. And it's time for our first little group ride through the canyons with the new rear sets. But first we got to get a cold start, of course. It can never do it on the first try for me. But there we go. All right, I'll see you guys once we meet up with the boys. Per usual, these guys are late to the meetup spot, but luckily we got a very beautiful meetup spot today. Oh, speak of the devil. That's good, bro.
It got hot as like 15 degrees.
Yeah, it's 90. We about to tear Mulholland up. Bro, I gotta show you.
Oh, you got new rear sets.
Yes, sir. The first set, custom made 101. So you got this new brake lever, this whole thing, whole setup.
Oh man, that's nice.
Thank you, bro. I come here like almost every year and like watch the fireworks from here, cause like Hollywood Bowl right there.
Yeah.
So you can see the whole show from right here. It's like perfect.
Yeah. You heard from Billy?
He said he got held up per usual.
Oh boy.
Bro, it's clear today. You can see everything. Yeah. You picked a great day to come out here.
Yeah, that's that marine layer we gonna hit. Ooh, I can feel it now.
So we're gonna start at this little point right here, run around this orange track until we get here, go down to Sunset, take Sunset all the way to Santa Monica, and that's our end point for today. Let's get it. All right, guys, so it looks like Billy's not gonna make it. It's me and Q today. The fast bikes. Billy's gonna hate me when he hears that. We're about to see how these rear sets handle, so let's get it. We're taking off curvy canyons with the rear sets. Here we go. Oh yes, let's go. Immediate smile. Immediate smile on my face. This is crazy, but it's really nice, really responsive. I feel like I have a lot more control. Oh, we got a little Aston action out there. Oh, legend.
This position is definitely way better for this type of riding, dude. Oh my god, just going into turns, like moving my weight around, it's all so much easier. Money, dude. Shit's butter with it. Yep. I'm trying my hardest and he's like pulling around, and like that's the difference between 125 EFI and 110 carb. Yes sir, with the laydown, baby. Good stuff, bro. That was a fun ride.
What are these scooters, man?
That's a Honda Grom, and this is a Honda Navi. So that's like 125cc, 5-speed manual. This is 110cc automatic.
Cool. That's all you need, man.
Yeah, it gets us everywhere we want to go.
CX6R cross country, and I didn't even have a driver's license.
Oh, damn. You don't ride anymore?
No, I don't, man. Because I'm one of those people, I want to keep going faster. But I'm glad you guys are doing it safe, you know?
All right, we're back where we started. Got the Navi in the shade over here. I'm gonna take you guys over to the view and we can talk about these rear sets once and for all. Taking that view. Overall conclusion, I absolutely love them. They transfer the weight into a way more favorable position. I feel way more engaged, way more sporty when I'm on the bike. I'm able to lean into turns a lot better. I'm able to support my weight in turns a lot better, and thus it feels a lot more stable. It's awesome that I'm the first person to have these set up on the Honda Navi. Craig, thank you so much again, man. You knocked it out of the park. These are better than I could have ever imagined. Can't wait to do, you know, a lot more canyon carving with them, a lot more sporty riding. Yeah, man, overall, I'm just stoked. I'm really just happy about it. Way more fun to ride now. It feels like I'm on a sport bike, you know, minus the power, of course. And that's gonna end this episode. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Again, make sure if you haven't liked the video, subscribe to the channel. Your support means the world to me. And hopefully the next time I'm talking to you, there'll be a big bore in my Navi, or we'll be big boring my Navi, more like it. I'll see you guys next time.